Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust Hiace headlights full guide. Park the vehicle on level ground 3 to 4 meters from a wall, measure center height to beam, mark the wall, and start with basic adjustment screws. Begin with low beams and finish with high beams for legal alignment. I speak clearly and walk you through each step so you can complete this with confidence and minimal tools. Prepare your workspace and tools before starting this headlight adjustment process so you stay efficient and focused. Confirm tire pressure and normal cargo load to mimic driving conditions, then park straight on level ground facing a clean wall. Measure from the ground to headlight center, mark that height on the wall with tape, and draw vertical center lines to use as alignment references during adjustment. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so you can catch more practical vehicle tips. Quick recommendation: bring a bit of convenience to your garage with the Echo Dot smart speaker, which makes hands-free timers and music simple while you wrench. I use one to time cooling and step intervals. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Follow a steady process. Switch on low beams, cover one lamp, and adjust the opposite beam until the brightest point aligns with your horizontal mark. Repeat for the other side, then test high beams and fine-tune if necessary so the cutoff and center line match your wall marks. Drive on a quiet road to confirm real-world visibility and to ensure none of your adjustments cause glare for other drivers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.